Now we move to the next topic, circularly linked list. What is circularly linked list? Circularly linked list is, once again, it is a linear linked list. The only difference is the last node contains a pointer to the first node of the list. As we already discussed in the singular linked list, the last node points to null value, that is end of the list. Last node always contain the next pointer with null value, but whereas here the last node contains pointer to the first node of the list. You just see the diagram here. The start, as usual, it points to the first node which points to the second node which points to the third node which points to the fourth node which points to fifth node which points to the sixth, and sixth which points to 7, and finally the last node of the list 7 points to the first node. This is the only difference between singly linked list and circularly linked list. So there are two types of circular linked lists are available. One is circular singly linked list and circular doubly linked list. Here we see the example of circular singly linked list. Next section we are going to discuss about a doubly linked list. From doubly linked list, if the last node is connected to the first node, we can call it as circular doubly linked list. Now let me compare singly linked list with circularly singly linked list. I first draw the diagram for singly linked list. So initially, it is a start pointer which points to the first node, and I just imagine there are 3 nodes in this list. Start which points to the first node, for example the element is 10. The first node which points to the second element, it is 17. Second node which points to the third element, 9. Now this is singly linked list, we already discussed. So now I just draw the diagram for circularly singly linked list. Same start pointer, first node with value 10, second node with value 70, third node with value 9. Start pointing to the first node which points to second points to third. Now in circularly linked list, the last node of the list points to the first node of the list. This link is the only one difference between singly linked list and the circularly singly linked list. In singly linked list, the last node, the next pointer of the last node consists of null value, but whereas in the circular singly linked list, the last node which points to the first node. So if you just imagine the last node, the name of the last node is PTR. Similarly here also it is PTR. Then in code, what is the change we have to do? That is this pointer whose next equal to null. But whereas in the circularly singly linked list, this pointer whose next is equal to what? Start. So this is the very important difference between singly linked list and circularly singly linked list. If you once know what is singly linked list and what are all the operations, that is algorithm for that operations, and how to write a C code for singly linked list, almost 90% of your work is over. In circularly singly linked list, wherever pointer of next is equal to null, we just replace it with pointer of next is equal to start. Let me see the difference in algorithm for singly linked list and circularly singly linked list. Now we see the insert a node at the end of a circularly singly linked list. Now this is our circular linked list, existing circular linked list with 3 elements 10, 17 and 9. Now I am going to insert a new node with value 100 at the end of this circularly singly linked list. How we can insert? Now we are going to insert after this 9. So what are all the things we have to do? So now initially the 9 is pointing to the start, but hereafter this 9 will be pointed to this 100, because after 9 the 100 should be inserted, because inserted at the end. Now after inserting this 100, what next we have to do? This 10 should be pointed to this start. So here we are going to establish two things. One is after 9 I have to link this new node. This new node will be linked to the start. Now we see the algorithm of circularly singly linked list for insertion at the end. So in the right hand side there is an algorithm of insertion at the end of singly linked list. So what are all the changes we have to import from the existing singly linked list algorithm for creating a circularly singly linked list algorithm? So step 1, it is same as that of singly linked list, because it is just for checking the overflow condition. And step 2, what is in singly linked list? Set new node is equal to avail. So that is also same, because for allocating a memory. And in step 3, what is the code in singly linked list? Set new node of data is equal to VAL. So here also the similar case, set new node of data is equal to VAL. So same code. And for step 4, there what is the code in singly linked list? Set new node of next is equal to start. In singly linked list, if you are inserting a new node, what will happen? The new node whose next will be null, because the new node is going to be act as the last node of the existing list after insertion, automatically whose next should be null. But whereas here after you are inserting the new node, what is the next field of this new node? It should be start. So here there is a first change, set new node of next equal to, instead of null, here it should be start. So this is the first change from singly linked list algorithm to circularly singly linked list algorithm. And step 5, set pointer is equal to start. Here also the same. I am going to write the step 6 here. Repeat step 7 while pointer of next not equal to what? Here it is null. Instead of null, I just replace it as start, because between the singly linked list and doubly linked list, what is the only change? Wherever we are using null, it can be replaced by what? Start. So here instead of null it is start, here instead of null once again here it is start. So the remaining things are similar. So this is the two changes what you have to do for converting the singly linked list algorithm into circularly singly linked list algorithm. Now we see the delete a node at the end of circularly singly linked list. Now you just imagine the circularly singly linked list with 3 elements. Now we are going to delete a node at the end, which means we are going to delete the node 9. If I want to delete this node 9, what I have to do? I have to find out the name of this node. If I once find out this name, if I link the next field of this node to the star, our purpose will be over. But whereas in singly linked list, what we did, once we have to find out the name of this node, immediately the next field of this node make it as null. So here also the same change. Instead of null, I make it into start. In singly linked list, you just see the algorithm. We are finding out the name of that node. That is, we are using two pointers. One is PTR, another one is pre-PTR. After that while loop is over, this node is become pre-PTR and the name of this node become PTR. This is going to be deleted. So what we did, pre-pointer next is equal to null அப்படினு போட்டுட்டு இதனோட memory free பண்றதுக்காக free of PTR அப்படினு நம்ம எழுதிருக்கோம். Now what we are going to do, we are going to do the same process. We have to find out this name. For this we are fixing the name pre-pointer, we are fixing the name PTR. After you are did this process, up to this process, singly linked list as well as circularly singly linked list are both are same. So step 1 no change, step 2 once again no change. In step 3 we have to find out which one is pre-PTR, which one is PTR. So for that, what is the change we are required? In singly linked list, if I want to identify this particular node, I can identify it with the help of the node whose next is null. எந்த நோடோட நெக்ஸ்ட் நல்லா இருக்குதோ அதுதான் வந்து லாஸ்ட் நோட் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி இமேஜின் பண்ணி தான் நாம் அந்த அல்காரிதம் எழுதியிருக்கோம். பட் இப்போ சர்க்குலர் சிங்கிலி லிங்க் லிஸ்ட்டில் எந்த நோட், விச் நோட் இஸ் லாஸ்ட் நோட், ஹவு வி கேன் ஐடென்டிஃபை திஸ் இஸ் த லாஸ்ட் நோட்? த நோட் whose next is start, which is the last node. Can you able to understand? In singly linked list, the node whose next is null, which is the last node. Whereas in circular singly linked list, the node whose next is start, that is the last node. So what is the change we have to do? So in step 3, repeat step 4 and 5 while PTR of next not equal to, in singly linked list it is null, whereas here it is start. And then within the while loop the two statements are same. Now we identify this is PTR, this is pre-PTR. Now what we have to do? Pre-PTR in singly linked list, pre-PTR oda next is equal to null. In circular linked list, what we have to do? Pre-PTR oda next என்னவா இருக்கணும்? It should be start. 4 and 5. In step 6, what is the change required? Set pre-PTR of next equal to what? It should be start. But whereas in singly linked list it is null. Now after we establishing this link, what we have to do? We just remove this memory, deallocate the memory. So it is as similar to that of singly linked list. I just free the PTR. So what are all the changes here occurred? Here instead of null we just make it as start. Here instead of null we make it as start. This is the deletion of node at the end of a circular linked list. This can be easily written with the help of deletion of node at the end of singly linked list. So similarly, all 8 algorithms can be written for circularly singly linked list from already known singly linked list. So that's why I already said, if you once know singly linked list thoroughly, then you don't bother about circularly singly linked list and as well as doubly linked list. Here we see the comparison of two algorithms, singly linked list and circular singly linked list, almost mirroring of an algorithm. Whose left side it is a singly linked list algorithm, right side it is a circularly singly linked list algorithm. So as I said before, the only change is instead of null, here you make it as start. So in two places we are replacing a null with start. In this way we can write the circularly singly linked list algorithm from existing singly linked list algorithm. Similarly, for deleting a node at the end, both the algorithms are 99% same. Only thing we have to replace null with start. Why I am showing this these two algorithms here, then only you can clearly understand. If you once study the singly linked list algorithm, we no need to study circular singly linked list algorithm from the scratch.